Hi Iris, this is your next 10 days reading from the 1st of September, like it's today. From today to the 9th of September, I am going to see the energies which are going to surround you, which are going to affect you, which are new, which are coming in, which are old, which are still there. So I will talk about it and I'll see what is the outcome by the 9th of September and how you are going to take yourself forward in the month of September. I have already uploaded your career reading, so you can look at it. But this energy is going to be your general life, love life, and other things which are connected to these energies. So the first card which I took out from the Angels Oracle, it came out on its own, and it says that deservingness. You are a beloved child of God like everyone else, and you deserve to receive the support that will allow you to focus upon your divine life purpose. Even if you can't yet recognize your lovable qualities, trust that God and the angels can see how amazing you truly are. So, this is a message for you, Aries, that you have to feel that you deserve what you are getting. If something good is happening in your life now, meaning you have, what you have sown, you are going to reap it. So this is what I see for you. This I see a, beautiful energies coming in, and you are going out to grab them. You will be coming out of crisis. I see that. So the first energy which I see is the crowning energy. Let's discuss that. It's justice, and it is the empress. So justice and empress, this is beautiful energy, your crowning energy. You are in a place of balance now. You have, healed yourself in the last few months. You have healed yourself. You have had lot of crisis situations, and you have tried to bring in justice, or the divine is serving its justice upon you, and you have been resurrected. You have been taken out of your concerned situations, your crisis situation, your love situation, your general life situation, wherever people were treating you with disrespect, wherever people were treating you with cunning. You have come out of that situation, because the crowning energy right now is pretty good. It is your empress energy. You are feeling charming, you are feeling handsome, you are feeling that laws of attraction which you were not able to exercise in the past. For some time, it has come back. You are able to exercise laws of attraction. You are able to nurture your new ideas. You are able to in relationships able to show love, and get love which was missing in the past few months or past few years. You have been able to crack it. You have been able to crack it, and get into a situation where you are now abundant, you are now loved, you are now in a situation of affluence, or you are looking at affluence coming in. So this is what I see. I see divine justice being served. It's in your favor. So this is what is the crowning energy all about. You have done a lot of thinking with the hangman, or a significant Pisces energy is around you. With this person's help or without this person's help, you have come into this situation of hangman, wherein you have not taken much action. You have not taken much action, but you have been observing people. You have seen through people. You have seen through people, because the Eight of Swords is reversed. The self-doubt because of these people, the self-doubt because of the behavior of others around you, had caused you a lot of pain. But this hangman energy made you think differently, with a different perspective. And now you have reversed this Eight of Swords. You have reversed this self-doubt. Now you see clearly. There is clarity, but you are frustrated. You are frustrated with people around you. You don't want their shit. You don't want their crap. They are now out of your life, because I see the world happening. I see you, cutting off people. I see you cutting off friends who are, emotional parasites. I see you cutting out lovers who never gave you anything, who always, made you feel lack. So you are coming out of this situation, seeing the truth in the matter through the hangman energy and the reverse eight of swords, and you are closing chapters. You are closing chapters in terms of your energy given in work, or energy given in a love relationship or family relationships. You will not ever now will be taken advantage of. You will not be cheated anymore, because you have understood the truth, you have seen the truth. So you have passed through various struggles. I see, 10 of swords, I see 2 of swords, I see 8 of swords. So you have gone through lot of mental thinking, you have gone through a lot of truth, exploration of truth. You have gone through that. Your mind has been exploring the truth about people, exploring truth about the situations. You have gone through hell, you have gone through pain, but you have started looking into the harsh realities of life. You have started looking into seeing through people. So you will be getting out of these energies, you will be getting out of these energies very soon. If some of you are still going through this, time has come when things are going to change. I am telling you, within the next 10 days you will see the changes happening in your life. People, most of the Arians have already gone through this process, but some of you are still left. You will be going through this process of pain, you will be going through this process of looking at harsh realities which are painful. However, it will take you out molten gold, because when you go through the process of malleability and process of going through the heat of being something good, you will see the result. In the end, you will see the result. You will see that how much pain you have taken and what you have got in the end. You have got life lessons from these experiences. I see the your energy, Queen of Wands, coming in. This energy is of grabbing opportunities which are going to come to you. Luck will support you, luck will support you, and you will see some success which is going to come in terms of money and in terms of balance. So the insecurities which were there will be taken care of with this Queen of Wands energy. Leadership position, charisma, and embracing new opportunities is going to come to you in the next 10 days. You will see some judgment situation, you will see divine intervention, you will see total change in your life situation. You will see a volte-face improvement, you will see judgment taking place. Divine will intervene in your situation now. Please be open to it. You will be resurrected from your bad situation. You will be taken out of your dead situation. You will be taken out of inactivity. You will be given a chance to work again. You will be given a chance once again to prove yourself. And what is coming to you? The Ace of Wands, the Six of Wands. This means new opportunity which is going to come in, which you are going to take as the Queen of Wands. With the Queen of Wands energy, you are going to embrace it. After embracement, you will see very fast progress. You will see victory coming in. You will see that with the Six of Wands, people will look at you. Yeah, see how Aries is, riding on the horse, and how she or he has won in these times of painful circumstances. However painful the circumstances are, you are going to get victory in this situation. You will be overcoming obstacles in your love, you will be overcoming obstacles in your job or career, you will be overcoming obstacles if it is a family situation. You are going to be the winner, you are going to glow in your victory. and people will see it, people will acknowledge it, people will see your courage and determination. I see courage and determination. I see courage and determination with Queen of Wands, with Ace of Wands, new things happening, with Six of Wands, victory happening. So amazing, amazing situation for you. I see some of you going into your shell. I see some of you detaching yourself and concentrating only on your material successes, material abundance, material security. You will be totally focused on this, and people will look at you with lot of envy. They will see that how you are flourishing, how you are in so much abundance, but you will be detached from your lovers, you will be detached from emotional connections. This is what I see in the next 10 days. You will be, some of you in your singlehood, you will be, even if you are married, you will be detached. So this is the kind of energy I see. This is Venus in Virgo. This is going to be there in the month of September and October. In the first half of October, I see you like this, in this kind of energy, which is artistic, which is affluent, which is appreciating beauty and appreciating the comforts of life. However, you will be detached from people you love. I see you in this energy of Seven of Swords. It's nobody else, it is you. You are going to be now taking the position of this Seven of Swords person. You will be able to take, fast and swift decision. Things, you will do things for your own advantage. You will try and be in this energy of skill. You'll be skillful, you will be faster, smarter. Maybe you will trick out of certain bad situations. So you will be in this energy of Seven of Swords. You will know how to get yourself out of messy situations. You will not tolerate people who are deceiving. You will be using their way of swindling, their way of secrecy, their way of hiding things. In the same manner, you will also take up this energy and give them tit for tat. So I see you in this energy, giving tit for tat to people. So the outcome is High Priestess, Magician, Emperor. I don't believe this. You are going to be in the energy of being highly intuitive, uh, able to manifest your dreams, and you will be in total control of power. You will have total control of yourself. You will have power over your decisions. I see determination, I see consolidation through the Emperor energy. I see manifestation, I see lot of magical things happening for you, miracles happening for you with the High Priestess and the Magician. This is going to be amazing. You will discover your inner power, you will discover your higher self, you will see the life purpose, you will be able to reveal secrets, and the secrets will be revealed to you in time. So I see beautiful outcome for you. I see success for you. I see all the powers of the divine right now in you, and you will be able to use these energies. Please open your eyes, be awake, understand your powers, understand to take control of your situation. Anybody who is feeling down, I am telling you, these are not empty words. The cards are never wrong. You have this energy. Whatever you are feeling in your gut, whatever you are feeling, intuition, whatever intuition is coming to you, please take decisions with those intuitions. If you dream of something, try to realize it. It is going to happen for you because you have the Magician energy. The expression, people who have business in expression, people who have business in talents, people who have business in science, people who have business in any kind of activity will be able to have all the elements supporting you, all the elements of this universe supporting you. So I see lot of support coming in terms of divine support. So luck is in your favor, luck is in your favor, justice is in your favor, power is in your favor, intuition is in your favor, manifestation is in your favor. So You are going to succeed, Aries. So for the next 10 days, I guarantee you will see things happening for you. You will see good things happening for you. So I wish you all the best, and I ask you to keep your eyes open. And if you have liked this reading and resonated with it, please like and subscribe my channel and see more readings which I will be uploading after the 9th. Bye.